Motion AI versus ClickUp. Choosing the right productivity app can completely change how you manage tasks and boost efficiency without feeling overwhelmed. Motion AI offers automation-driven workflows, while ClickUp focuses on all-in-one project management. Motion AI and ClickUp are both powerful productivity tools designed to streamline your work. The core difference is Motion AI's emphasis on AI-powered automation to handle scheduling and task prioritization, whereas ClickUp provides a comprehensive platform for task, document, and project management. Motion AI is a productivity app that uses artificial intelligence to automate your daily workflows. It integrates your calendar, tasks, and deadlines, then automatically schedules and prioritizes your work to maximize focus and reduce manual planning. The AI continuously adapts to changes, reshuffling tasks as needed to keep your day optimized. Its strengths lie in smart scheduling, time blocking, and reducing decision fatigue, making it ideal for users who want to spend less time managing their to-do lists and more time executing. However, Motion AI may have limitations in extensive project collaboration features or deep customization compared to traditional project management tools. It works best for individuals or small teams focused on personal productivity and efficient time management rather than complex project tracking. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to centralize task management, document collaboration, goal tracking, and communication. It offers customizable workflows, multiple views like lists, boards, and calendars, and integrates with numerous apps to support diverse project needs. ClickUp's strengths include its flexibility across industries, powerful collaboration tools, an extensive feature set that covers everything from simple task lists to complex project roadmaps. Its limitations can be the learning curve and potential for feature overload for users seeking a lightweight scheduling solution. ClickUp is ideal for teams of all sizes looking for a unified workspace that handles everything from task assignments to documentation and progress tracking, making it a comprehensive choice for project managers and collaborative teams. Motion AI excels at automating your daily schedule, making it perfect for solo professionals or small teams who want to minimize manual planning and stay focused on high-priority tasks. It reduces cognitive load by adapting a calendar in real time. On the other hand, ClickUp shines in collaborative environments where managing multiple projects, documents, and team communications is essential. While Motion AI simplifies task prioritization, ClickUp provides a robust platform for project visibility and team alignment. The trade-off is between Motion AI's streamlined, AI-driven scheduling and ClickUp's feature-rich, customizable workspace. If your work revolves around personal productivity and time management, Motion AI delivers efficiency with less effort. For complex projects requiring collaboration and detailed tracking, ClickUp offers a more comprehensive solution. Choose Motion AI if your priority is smart automation and effortless daily scheduling, especially for individual productivity and minimizing time spent on planning. Opt for ClickUp if you need a versatile platform that supports teamwork, project management, and extensive customization. Both apps excel in their domains, so pick the one that aligns best with your workflow needs to maximize productivity and collaboration.